Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
It's a snowy day where magical things can happen. You can make a snowman, or you can even make a snow Bob. This is my dear friend Bob. Now, it's really cold, and I think that we need a perfect treat to go with this cold weather. Today's special is onion fryams, or Vengaya Vathal in Tamil. Vathal is a way of preserving vegetables and rice dishes in the sun for future use. During summer months, variety of fryams are prepared and stored. These fryams pair very well with any South Indian rice variety. Onion fryams is my all-time favorite. They're crispy and they have an excellent taste. First, let's take 1 cup of idli rice and wash it 3 times. Then soak it for 4 hours. If you don't have idli rice, don't worry, you can do this with regular rice too. While the rice is soaking, let's go outside and see the beautiful snow. Wow, look at the snow on those branches. After 4 hours, drain the rice and grind into a smooth paste. We are going to use the same water we used to soak the rice. Now the batter is ready. This step is optional. We are going to let the batter ferment, which will give it a nice flavor to the fryams. Cover and set it aside for 8 hours. In a bowl, add tapioca pearls and soak it in 1/4 cup of water. Let's heat a pan and add in soaked tapioca pearls and cook for 5 minutes. Add in water. We are going to use the water that we used to clean our mixer. You will need about 2 cups of water. Now pour in the rice batter. Add in finely chopped green chili, salt for taste, and cook the batter on low flame for about 7 minutes. Make sure to stir continuous, otherwise you will end up with lumps. Everything will combine into a ball. Now, the rice has cooked well. Let's remove from the heat. Add in finely chopped shallots or red onion of your choice. Mix well. Onion fryams batter is ready. Use a tray with parchment paper and make small balls. Pinch a small portion of the dough and make small balls. We can dry this fryams in 4 different ways. If you live in a nice sunny place, You can sun-dry these fryams for 2 days. For those who live in a cold place, your first option is you can dry these fryams on your countertop, but it will take minimum 3 days. Your second option is you can use an oven. Set oven to the lowest temperature and dry them for 2 days. If you have a dehydrate option in your air fryer, you can use that. Here we are, setting our dehydrator to 95 degrees and dry the fryams for 8 hours. Looks like too much snow. Shoveling needs to be done. After 8 hours, look how well the fryams have dried. We're almost done. Let's fry them now. Crispy and crunchy onion fryams are ready for snacking. If you're looking for an easy Vathal recipe, stay tuned with us for our upcoming easy Vathal recipe.
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!